Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about the fire snake experiment. A fire snake, also referred to as a black snake or sugar snake, is a classic science experiment you can do right in your own kitchen, using a baking soda and sugar mixture, and a fuel to ignite the reaction. You would believe that snake is a carnivorous reptile that are ectothermic amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. The materials you need is sugar, baking soda, sand, lighter or matchsticks, and a lighter fluid. This food-based chemistry experiment is not to be confused with the carbon snake. You will learn the following procedures. First step, add 10 grams of baking soda to 40 grams of sugar. This is a 50 grams of mixture. Then you have to mix it with spoon. Second step, add sand to the bowl, then pour a lighter fluid on the sand to soak them. Then the third step, pour a 50-gram mixture of sugar and baking soda. Finally, throw a fire using matchstick or lighter. You will notice that a baking soda gets hot, it makes carbon dioxide gas. And a long carbon chain snake would have been evolved. Why does it happen? When the mixture burns, the baking soda gets hot, and it decomposes to release carbon dioxide gas. A lack of oxygen in the sugar from the combustion creates carbonate and water vapor. The pressure from the carbon dioxide gas pushes this carbonate out to form the snake, which should continue growing for 20 minutes, give or take. So we have briefly discussed about fire snake experiment. Like, comment, and subscribe now.